Drywall tape bubbling or separating is one of those annoying home repair problems that can totally ruin the smooth look of your walls and make your place feel unfinished. So, if your drywall tape is bubbling up or peeling off, first thing you want to do is gently scrape off any loose tape with a putty knife. Don't rush it. Just take your time so you don't damage the drywall underneath. Next, grab some joint compound and spread a thin layer over the area where the tape used to be. Then, press new drywall tape into the wet compound, smoothing out any bubbles or wrinkles with your knife. After it dries, add 1 or 2 more thin coats of joint compound on top, feathering the edges so it blends with the wall. Sand lightly between coats with fine grit sandpaper to keep it smooth. Make sure you let everything dry completely before painting over it. This process sounds kinda basic, but doing it right can save you from future headaches and give your walls a nice, clean finish. One of the biggest mistakes when dealing with drywall tape bubbling or separating is not removing all the loose tape before reapplying joint compound, which causes the new layer to peel off too. Another common issue is applying joint compound too thick at once, making it crack or bubble as it dries. Always go thin and build up layers. Also, skipping sanding between coats can leave your wall looking lumpy and uneven, so take a few minutes to smooth it out for a professional touch. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot if you need help finding trusted local contractors who know their stuff and won't ghost you halfway through. Plus, if you're a contractor looking to connect with homeowners who need drywall fixes or any home projects, it's a solid way to get work lined up without all the hassle.